My name is Laura Gertis, and this is my Storyboard That tutorial. Storyboard That is a website that can be used to create your own comic strips. Storyboard That is user-friendly and would be a great resource for students of all ages. Here is a quick tutorial on how to use Storyboard That to create your own masterpiece. The first step in creating your own storyboard is to go to the website, www.storyboardthat.com. Once you're there, click on the yellow button in the middle that says Create a Storyboard. Now you're ready to get started creating. The first part you will choose is the layout. The 3-panel strip shown above is the default layout. If you are wanting something different, click the button on the bottom left that says Storyboard Layout for other options. Here are some of the layout options available for your storyboard. You can also click the Add Cells button to make your own storyboard as big as you need. Once you've chosen your desired layout, it's time to add the backgrounds. Storyboard That has so many great backgrounds to choose from. The categories for backgrounds can be seen at the top of the screen. To select a background, click on the icon version of your desired background and drag it down to the cell that you want it in. Once your background is set, a toolbox will pop up and give you options to edit. You can rotate and crop your background, add filters, and even change the colors of selected objects in each cell. There are also advanced options that appear when you click the Edit Scene button. Here you can see a closer look at the Edit Scenes option for this particular background. Simply select your preferred options and click the blue Update Scene button to save your changes. After you've chosen and edited your backgrounds, you're ready to add your characters. Just like the backgrounds, Storyboard That offers a great selection of characters for you to choose from. Click the Characters tab at the top left of your screen and choose the category that best matches the idea for your board. When you find a character that you like, drag and drop the character into the cell you want them to appear in. Once your character is in the correct cell, it's time to edit them. You can resize your character, choose their features and clothing colors, and edit their poses and expressions when you click the blue Edit Pose button. Here are the options for editing your character's pose and expression. After your character looks the way you want, click the Update Pose button at the bottom of your screen to save your changes. If you want the same character to appear in multiple cells, use the Copy button as a shortcut. You will only need to edit the expression and pose instead of creating the same character over completely. After you have your characters selected and edited, you're ready to add text. Click Textables on the main toolbar and choose the style of speech or thought bubbles you liked best. Once you have found what you're looking for, drag and drop the selected bubble in the desired cell. Just like the backgrounds and characters, your textables can be edited too. Choose the size, color, and filter for your speech bubbles and type in your character's words in the text box. After you're finished with the text, you can add details to make your storyboard even better. On the main toolbar, you'll see several tabs that have pictures of items that can be inserted, such as the Web and Technology or Science tabs. However, the easiest way I found to find what I wanted to add is by searching for it in the search bar. Once you have found the items you want to add, just drag and drop wherever you would like them. Once the item is dropped, you can edit the size, position, and filter it to match your vision. When your storyboard looks the way you want, you're ready to save. Click the Save button at the bottom right of your screen. Once you've clicked Save, this menu will come up. Be sure to click the Save and Exit button when you're completely finished and ready to embed your storyboard. Now you can name your board and save your work. To embed your creation, click the Embed button at the bottom right of the screen. Once you've clicked the button to embed, a box will pop up where you can copy the code to your Storyboard That creation. It's important to note that you must have your storyboard privacy set as public in order to embed your strip. This can be done by clicking the Storyboard Privacy button next to the Embed button. Now you're ready to create your own storyboard with Storyboard That.